Stop paying for flights? You never need to use cash for a plane ticket again. This video breaks down the 3 absolute best travel credit cards for beginners, saving you thousands. Welcome to the Credit Navigator. Most beginners make a huge mistake. They choose the wrong card, pay high fees and leave thousands of points on the table. We're going to fix that. We're focusing only on the cards that build your credit and your travel fund fast, without forcing you into expensive annual fees. First, the 2 rules for travel cards. Rule number 1, never pay a foreign transaction fee. You will lose 3% on every purchase abroad. These 3 cards all pass that test. Rule number 2, only look for cards with transferable points or flexible redemption options. Fixed cashback is easy, but flexibility is where the free trips come from. Card number 1 is the ultimate beginner's choice, a zero-fee powerhouse, the Capital One Venture One Rewards credit card. The biggest win here is the $0 annual fee. You can keep this card forever to build your credit history without any recurring cost. Plus, the welcome bonus is 20,000 miles after spending $500 in the first 3 months. It earns 1 point to 5 miles for every dollar you spend. Super simple. No rotating categories. No confusing rules. The only downside? The redeem 1 cent per mille. That means $500 worth of points is just $500, not $1,000 like with more advanced cards. Who is this for? If you have a good credit score around 670 to 739, and this is your first rewards card. This is your foundational choice. It's safe, simple, and sets you up for bigger cards later. If you've managed your first credit card responsibly for 6 to 12 months, it's time to level up. Card number 2 is the mid-tier travel upgrade, the Chase Sapphire Preferred. Yes, this one has a small annual fee, usually around $95, but the value you get back crushes the cost. The welcome offer is huge, often enough for 2 international round-trip flights. This card introduces the power of transferable points. You can move your points one-to-one to over a dozen airline and hotel partners, unlocking to cents per point or more. It gives you 3x points on dining and 2x points on all travel. Think about your monthly spending. Every dinner out, every ride share, and every hotel is now building your flight fund faster. This card is for the savvy traveler who is ready to commit to one ecosystem. Your credit score needs to be solid, ideally 740, and above to guarantee approval. Pro tip, use the card's built-in travel insurance benefits. If your flight is delayed or your rental car gets dinged, the card often covers the cost, saving you hundreds of dollars on external insurance. Our final card is the ultimate destination. It comes with a higher annual fee and higher requirements, but it delivers unmatched luxury and top-tier travel benefits, the American Express Platinum Card. Why pay a $695 annual fee? Because you get far more value back. Think airport lounge access, annual fee credits for Uber and Saks Fifth Avenue, and elite hotel status. This card is not about building credit. It's about optimizing lifestyle. If you spend over $50,000 a year on travel and living, this is an investment, not a cost. So here's the Credit Navigator takeaway. Skip this card as your starter. Begin with card number 1, upgrade your 2 card to when your score is strong. And save card number A for the stage, when your income and lifestyle actually justify paying premium fees. To summarize, choose card 1 for safety, card 2 for maximizing points, and card 3 for pure luxury travel. All the links for the cards mentioned are in the description below. Don't let bad credit hold you back from these rewards. Watch my next video on your screen now. 3 mistakes that crush your credit score to ensure you get approved for these cards. See you there.